Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos to Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos, then tap the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you enable backup. You have two options how to enable backup. The first one is to click turn on backup. Then select you want to save your photos and videos in original quality on Storage Saver. If you want to save some space, Storage Saver is your choice, especially that for free you have only 15 gigabytes what you share with Google Drive and Gmail. But I want to use original quality, so confirm. And because I want to show you the second option, you need to go to the Google Photos settings. Then click at the backup at the top and enable backup here. And if you use this option, also check at the backup quality and you can change it right here. After that, we can upload finally some video. So let's do this. I record some video. Okay, 4 seconds. Amazing. Then we have this video in the gallery, this new video, and if you return to the Google Photos, as you can see, start uploading these photos to the cloud. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.